Here we have the Kobo Clara 2E. If we now go into the library, sorry, it needs to sync the book first, so it connects to my Wi-Fi. Like so. So now it synced the book, the progress, reading progress and so on before it exit to the library. And the same here, you go out in the file manager by clicking there, you have the folders here. I have the books folder and I have a read folder. As you see, I've read 28 books on this device and have 24 to read. So if I long press on books to set the home folder, this menu shows up, and I do by clicking there and there. And now if I click on home, we go here. One huge difference with a Kobo or a Kindle is that you should not be on the folder called SD card. So if we go here, you see, if we go out from one, go into the mount, you see user folder, SD folder and onboard. Many things that you should store all your books on the SD folder. But that doesn't work so good with a Kobo device, because then you will get a lot of errors when sending books from Calibre that says that the storage is full because you have enabled a home folder on SD card. You should always choose Onboard to store all your books, because then you can use the whole storage space on your device. So here we have the home on the Onboard folder, not in the SD folder. So be careful there. Okay, bye.